Hi my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these two beautiful and super gorgeous shrink prink finger rings in two different types. So let's get started. For this we need silicone glue, B6000 glue, embossing pad, heat resistance tweezer, some stones, blue color bead, T-pins, flower cap, ball tool, plier, shrink prink sheets, ring base, soft pastels and heat tool. So I'm starting with my first ring. Here I'm taking this shrink prink sheet which is shiny from one side and frosted from other side. So I have already prepared this heart shaped flower in 3 different sizes. We just need this heart shaped petals, so you don't need to make flower, you can directly make petals. You just need to draw design on any paper and just trace it on shrink prink. Now here I am taking my Mungyo soft pastels and I am just adding white soft pastel from frosted side and merging the color using my fingers on all 3 flowers. Then I am taking light blue color and adding this color on all the petals. Then I am doing little shading using darker shade of blue. And our flowers are ready. Now I'm just cutting these flowers like a petal. So we need these petals. In the same way I'm cutting rest of the flowers. Now here I am taking this paper circle. The diameter of this circle is approx 4.5 centimeter, that is 4.5 centimeters. And I am just drawing this circle on frosted side of my shrink prink. I am fussy cutting this circle. And then I am coloring this using light green color. Always remember, the coloring part should be done on frosted side. Like this. Now it's time to make it heat. So the time of magic. I'm just using my heat resistance tweezer and holding the petal from one corner and using my heat tool I am just shrinking it. Like this. Now fold the petal from tip towards the outer side little bit while it's hot, and our petal is ready. It should look like this. In the same way I will show you 2 more different sizes. So this is done. In the same way repeat for all. Now taking my circle which we have colored with green and I am making one small hole using my 2 mm punch hole machine so that we can insert any hanging if we want to add. So before shrinking we need to create hole. Now using heat tool I am shrinking the circle as well. It's dancing and it automatically come towards its original shape. I am just using my acrylic block to make it flat. Now I am taking this metal finger ring base and I will going to connect my shrink prink circle on this. So using B6000 glue I am going to connect both with each other. Remember the whole part should be exactly in the center, so you can just try it on your finger and it should be in the center. Allow it to dry. Now I'm taking one silver color T-pin, insert one flower cap, then insert blue color bead. Again I'm adding silver flower cap, then cutting the excess wire using plier. Fold it and make a loop. Then I am taking one silver color jump ring, pass it through this loop and through this hole which we have created on the ring, and just secure your jump ring. So the hanging is ready. It will look like this. Now I am making the center part of rose, so I am again taking small size of petal and rolling it like this. So it will become our center bud of rose. I am just trimming this bud from bottom little bit, and now I am taking my silicone glue, add little glue on base, and then start arranging your flowers. So first I am adding my bud, then small flower layers, then medium flower, and then large petals. So the beautiful rose is ready. Allow it to dry completely for 24 hours. Now I'm starting with the second ring. So here I have prepared this circle which is having 9 cm diameter. I have used my dies to make these flowers. So I'm using 5 petal heart shaped flower and some leaf kind of flower, and 4 petal flower and also leaf. Now I am just trimming my flower little bit towards the center so that we can easily shape it. If you don't have dies, don't worry, you can just draw any shape on shrink prink and you can fussy cut it. Now from back side of the circle I am just adding little white color. This time I am going to add marble effect on the base. So I am using white and little yellow. So randomly adding the color on this. Now on the edge I am just adding little yellow and mixing it with the center. Only on the edge, not in the center. So it will look like a marble. Now I am coloring my flowers and leaves, so using different shades. In the same way, I have created one more same size flower using purple shade. Also, I am coloring this 4-petal flower using pink color. So we need 2 these type of flowers. Now coloring is done and it's time to do some magic, that is shrinking and prinking. So again, taking my embossing pad in the base and using heat tool, I am shrinking this circle. It will dancing in some time. Yo! And don't worry about this shrinking, it will get automatically its original shape after some time, in some seconds. Like this. Now again, taking my acrylic block and flattening this on the surface, because after cooling down you cannot shape it or mold it. So while it's hot you can mold it in any shape. Now I am shaping the flowers and leaves. Just pinching in the center using ball tool and folding the petals outwards like this, and you will get the beautiful flower. So repeat for all the flowers and leaves. And it's done. Complete rest of the things. So all the shaping is done. Now it's time to decorate the flowers using some stones. So again, I'm using my B6000 glue and adding the stones according to the size of flower. In the center of small flowers, I have added small pearls. Now taking the base and using artificial silicone glue, I am arranging my flowers and leaves. this. Now taking the base again, using little B6000 glue and silicone glue, I will connect my Prink finger ring on the base. Again, allow it to dry completely for 24 hours. So my both the beautiful Prink finger rings are ready and they are looking super gorgeous. Very unique and very different. If you wear in your fingers, everyone will ask about it, I'm sure. So I'm just wearing it and it's looking fab. So I have already prepared one more ring and I usually use this ring on my different tutorials. So here I have just used green base, and for the center of the flowers I have used flower pearl. So you can use any kind of centers. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. I'm waiting for your comments. See you next time. Bye bye.